We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with Jessie Raeburn for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
I absolutely love these Fireclay things, in particular the fluted style. Now I have to be honest, before I started in real estate, I thought that you only saw these in lifestyle and country properties. However, having now sold property in the city, I often see these in contemporary kitchens nowadays. On top of being aesthetically pleasing, they are extremely hard wearing and durable. They're not going to scratch easy like your other stainless steel sinks on the market. It comes in such a unique range in different styles. You can have the fluted option, you can turn it around and have the flat panel, you can have the double sink, the large single seat, or it also comes in a concrete option, perfect for those more industrial style properties. It's a fantastic way to add some character and charm to your kitchen.